Now, how to leverage AI tools, whatever profession you are from, whatever city you are from, whatever designation you have, does not matter. We will be learning in today's workshop how to create presentations using AI, how to create reports using AI, how to do research using AI, how to do data analysis without using any formula or not even writing a single line of Python code, how to do data analysis using AI, how to optimize your resume using AI. And most people go and find jobs manually on LinkedIn, like Naukri and all. I will be telling you a agent that can you write a single line and all the jobs that you want will be in front of you. All right. And you can simply apply to that. I will also teach you how to create AI agent which can automate your tasks. No coding knowledge, no technical knowledge required at all. Then we are going to also cover how to create websites using AI. No coding knowledge required. I will be covering how to create websites, how to create apps using AI, how to create bots. Most people do not know inside Gemini. You can create bots which can automate your task. All of this, guys, free of cost. All right, because the tools which I'm going to show you are all of free. Most people think that you need to buy a lot of paid tools to leverage AI. It is not true. All right, so we will be covering each and everything in free version of every tool. Now, not only this, guys, we are also going to do the financial analysis of any PDF for that matter, and you will be surprised. I'm also going to show you freelancing website where you can start freelancing and start getting like a side income or maybe passive income. I will be also be showing you Instagram handles, YouTube channels which have got more than 2.3 billion views, got more than like 11 lakh followers, all using AI videos, guys. All of this in today's workshop. The language of workshop would be basic English. Even if you do not understand English, guys, I'm telling you, I'm not kidding, you will be able to comprehend most of the part. All right. Now, the duration of this workshop will be 3 hours. I will not take a single minute beyond 2 p.m., but make sure that you do not miss out on anything. Schedule yourself accordingly. Do not go for lunch in between, guys. Make sure that you attend each and every part of the session. All right. Now, before I start, guys, drop what is the profession and city or country you're joining from. Let's suppose you are joining from Delhi, engineer, drop engineer Delhi, sales Bangalore, drop like that in the chat box. All right. Yes, Pawan. It will be in English. All right. Teacher Kolkata, engineer Bangalore. The chat box is going bonkers. All right. Sales Chennai, HR Chennai, sales Mumbai, HR Chennai, sales Mumbai, Jaipur, marketing Noida, engineering from Bangalore. All right. Business owner from Ahmedabad. All right. Entrepreneur from Dubai. All right. There are people outside India. Amrit Pal Singh Kohli is saying digital marketing from Mumbai, consultant from Noida. Consultant from Noida, sales trainer from Hyderabad, Ayodhya teacher, edtech trainer from Bengaluru, Lucknow HR real estate from Chennai, Hyderabad teacher, all right, HR from India, engineer from Bengaluru, IT consultant from Hyderabad, Bureau of Self-Employed, all right, Barat, self-employed, sorry. Operations marketing from Delhi, IT Bangalore, Dr. Vikas Agrawal, data scientist Pune, IT engineer from Mumbai, Hyderabad, admin from Ranchi, Bankar Hisar, Haryana, advocate from Madurai. Or if there are people who are doctors and advocates, most of you might be thinking that AI is not for me. I'm going to show you how a junior lawyer can beat a well-established law firm, as well as if you're a senior lawyer, you can reduce your head count, or even if you have the same number of employees, you can increase tennis outcome. I'm not kidding. You can search any order number, any judgment, just like writing a single line of like English. All right, that is all that is required. Not only that, I will be also telling you guys, you do not have to type at all. Even if you're drafting email and all, no need to type at all. Haji is from finance from Hyderabad. Ashwini Agarwal, entrepreneur from Mathura. All right, Ashwini, designer from Delhi, analyst from Chennai, student from Mumbai, consultant from Chennai, sales and operation from Ahmedabad. All right, so there are people from across India, different segments, different sectors. There are people from outside India as well. All right. Now let me introduce myself because most of you might be meeting me for the first time. So let me, introduce myself. My name is Samir Agrawal, guys. I'm a founder of Clappingo. It's an online education platform. We started in 2021, and so far we have been able to train more than 56,000 people in the field of AI skills, English communication, finances, and business mastery. Now we have more than 15 million views on YouTube. That is about 1.5 crores views. We have more than 2 lakh followers on Instagram. We have more than 21,000 followers on LinkedIn. This is not to brag about anything at all. This is just to let you know that we are doing the right work. You can see the screen, like there is a photograph on screen. I went to Shark Tank last year, but could not qualify for the final round. But fortunately, I've been able to raise capital from the notable investors. So far, we have raised more than 12 crores. Some of the notable investors you can see, you might be knowing about these people. Anubhav Singh Bassi, he's a popular stand-up comedian, guys. Sandeep Agrawal, he's a founder of two back-to-back unicorns named Groom and Shop Clues. Vishwa Kalyanath, IIT Kharagpur guy, again a stand-up comedian. Sharad Singh, he's a IIM Ahmedabad alumnus, founder of a fintech company from Mumbai called Value 5 Solutions. Anupam Mittal and Apur Gupta, to name a few guys. All right. Now, people who have joined right now, follow from here, guys. This workshop is all about how you can leverage AI tools and automate most of your tasks. All right. Yes, Kasturi. Now, most people think that if you save time and save effort, your results, quality of your results is going to be compromised. That is not the truth. I will be doing all of the things that you think you can do in 5 hours, 10 hours, in 5 minutes and 10 minutes. I'm not kidding. And you decide whether my quality of results, what I'm producing in front of you, is way better than or like what you would be expecting or not. All right. Not expecting, even if somebody is giving 5 hours in that project, if I'm giving 5 minutes, you decide whether that person is creating the kind of outcome that he or she is creating. If my outcome is better than 10x, 20x better than that or not. Why this workshop, guys? No need to explain anything. AI is not the future, guys. AI has arrived. Any job that involves AI is on rise. Any job that does not involve is on decline. Even there are entrepreneurs, there are working professionals, there are students, there are freelancers in the participants. Everybody needs AI. I'm not kidding. And you will be surprised because the kind of real use cases of AI, most people do not show you because they are playing recording. So in recorded workshop, it is not possible. I'm going to show you the things that we at Clappingo use. You will not believe we have reduced our headcount by 70%. 70% lesser employees right now. We have reduced the costing by 27%. All right. And we are going 5x faster than what we used to grow 1 year before. All right. Before I start, guys, let me show you this is a live workshop. All right. And whenever you attend any workshop, guys, ask the presenter to show date and time, because people are taking learners for granted. Look at this. This is a live workshop. All right. Whenever you attend any workshop, guys, go and ask the person to show you the date and time so that whether that is a recorded workshop or a live workshop. All right. Now, by the end of this workshop, guys, there are two promises. I will not waste your single minute of your time. Second, if you go through this workshop completely, you will be able to save 95% of your time. 95% of your daily repetitive tasks can be automated. All right. Now, it is completely fine to join from any device, either laptop, mobile, anything. But if possible, guys, join from computer or laptop or a bigger screen like a device, for example, tablet. No recordings will be provided, guys. This is a live workshop. Make sure that you attend each and everything live. All right. Also, there is no need to take any notes during the session because that will distract you from the presentation and the content of the session. We will send you all the tools that I'm going to show you during this workshop, all the prompts, all the notes of this session to your WhatsApp and email after the workshop. So do not worry about anything at all. Now, people who stay till end, they will be getting bonuses worth 10,500 delivered to their to them within 24 hours. All right. So stay till end. Clappingo is a government startup India certified and MSME certified. We will be issuing a certificate for people who complete this workshop and stay till end. All right. We will be issuing the certificate within 4 hours if you complete the workshop. You can post that on LinkedIn. All right. Clappingo will be commenting and engaging with you so that you get immediate visibility, guys. I have told you that we have more than 21,000 followers on LinkedIn, so you get the visibility immediately. All right. It will be having a specific QR code, unique QR code, so it's authentic. Anybody can scan and they get to know that you have attended a really good workshop. All right. So let's begin, guys. Drop start in the chat box. So if you're excited and ready to begin, Megha and everybody, the workshop duration will be 3 hours. So make sure that you attend till 2 p.m. without missing this out. All right. All right, start. All right, great. Now, everybody wants to build an AI employee, guys. Everybody wants to, I will use some layman terms. Everybody wants to have an AI servant who can work on your behalf. I used to have a human assistant. She used to draft emails. She used to send calendar invites. These are my normal tasks. All right. And everybody will be able to relate. As a founder, I have to schedule meetings. I have to cancel meetings. Let's suppose I have attended a meeting yesterday, let's say 4 p.m. I want to know what was the discussion that happened. What was the minutes of meeting for the yesterday's meeting. I have to send calendar invites. I have to send emails. I have to communicate with people. Or let's suppose I'm working on Excel sheet. I forgot some formula, so I want to know what is this formula, or maybe I want to know the news. I do not use email, calendars, anything at all, and I do not have the like human assistant at all. I have completely automated this system using AI. All right, and I am going to first show you what is possible using this. Then I will show you how it operates, and then I will teach you how to create that. All right, don't worry about this. So the platform that I'm going to use, and this is one of the automations, guys, I'm going to show you. There are a lot of automations you can create yourself. All right. So the platform that I'm going to use is N8N. All right. Now, most people think that N8N is paid. I will be, I'm already, guys, I will save your time. All right. And I will save your money. I will tell you hacks how you can use all the tools that I'm going to show you in today's workshop free of cost. Even for the PPT, guys, most people are not able to remove watermark. All right. Now, let me show you. This is a Telegram. All right. I have connected the Telegram to provide instruction to the agent. All right. That AI employee take instruction from me on Telegram. But if you want, you can connect your WhatsApp, Slack, Microsoft Team as per your convenience. All right. Now, this is the calendar of Clappingo Team 5 at the rate gmail.com. You can see I'm reloading this in front of you. There are two meetings scheduled for today. All right. Two meetings for today, two meetings for tomorrow. All right. Now, there is no other meeting. This is the email of Clappingo Team 5 at the rate gmail.com. All right. Clappingo Team 5 at the rate gmail.com. You can see there is no recent emails after 27th Feb. All right. Now, let's suppose I want to know what are my meetings scheduled for tomorrow. All right. I do not need anybody other than this AI agent. I will simply provide instruction and it will do the job. All right. Provide me details of the meetings scheduled tomorrow. All right. Click enter and let's see what happens. Most people think that AI can create error. Yes, it can make errors, guys. But I'm telling you, the chances of error is way less. Guys, I'm telling you, even if you had gone on calendar, you could not have done this so fast. I have all the meetings in front of me with the agenda, with the time, with the link of joining. Now you can imagine this is the real use case, and most workshop will not show you because if they go online, the date will be revealed. All of these people are saying that it is Sunday 11 a.m. We are live. This is Sunday 11 a.m. It is live. They are playing this for last few Sundays. That is not acceptable in education. You cannot take learners for granted. If you want to run recording, just go and tell people that this is a recording. Do not say this is a live session and you start playing recording. And we are here to disrupt that. All right. Now, tomorrow there is no meeting, guys. All right. Let's suppose tomorrow 8 a.m., 9 a.m. there is no meeting. All right. I want to schedule a meeting. I would not do anything, guys. I will provide instruction to this employee and it will do the job. All right. Now, schedule a meeting, for example, and you can add multiple people for that matter. Schedule a meeting with Ujjwal at the rate clappingo.com for tomorrow at let's say 9 a.m. IST. All right. Agenda of meeting will be let's say Monday blues, guys. All right. Everybody. All right. Now let's see what happens. It will send calendar invite to me. It will send calendar invite to Ujjwal. It is done. Let me go and show you the calendar. It is done. All right, now focus on the meeting link right now. People who have joined late, guys, I cannot repeat that because it will be disrespectful to people who have joined on time. We are covering how to leverage AI tools and make sure that you automate most of your tasks. This is one of the agent I'm going to show you, and then I will teach you. So you have not missed anything at all. So focus from right here. All right, now it is YCBQFWZ. All right. This is the meeting link that at the end, this is YCBQFWG. All right. This is the meeting link so that you get to know that the meeting link has been sent. It is equally same like what you have got on Telegram and what has been sent on calendar. The chances could be that the meeting link is different, but it never happens. All right. In last 6 months, it has never happened with me. All right. So AI does not create any kind of error if you start using this properly. Most people do not know how to use AI properly, and then they feel that AI has not come to a level where it can automate tasks. All right. Not only this, guys, let's suppose I want to send an email. All right. I will simply provide instruction to this employee, guys, and I would not even type the body of email. And that is the level of automation and time saving you should be doing. All right. And even human assistant cannot do this fast. All right. Send an email. All right. To Clappingo team 5 at the rate gmail.com. All right. It could be agenda, for example.com. Subject of email will be let's suppose AI tools workshop. All right. Draft body of email yourself in let's say 100 words. All right. Click enter and relax. It will draft body of email. There will be no grammatical error at all. The email has been sent, guys. This is how you should be leveraging AI. All right. How to create? I will teach everything. First of all, guys, just look at this. This is done. AI tools workshop. This is completely done. All right. Now there is no mistake. The punctuation, paragraph change, each and everything is sorted. Guys, drop MB in the chat box if you think this is mind blowing so far. Drop MB in the chat box. MB. Somebody saying this is crazy. All right. MB, extremely crazy. All right. Extremely MB. All right. Now, don't worry. I will teach you. Don't worry. I'm not just going to show you. I will teach each and everything. Just focus right now. Let's suppose sometimes what happens, there are some emails we miss out on. I go through some emails. Some of the emails you after few days you get to know that oh I was not able to even read that email. All right. There might be some email which has got into spam, and it those emails normally, even if they are one or two emails, guys, later on we figure out that those emails were very critical. All right. That now you do not have to worry about that at all. I will simply write provide me details of last unread emails, spam emails, anything is possible. Let me try this out. Provide me details of last, let's say, 3 unread emails. You can write 5, 10, anything is possible. Click enter. It might take comparatively longer time. It is going through email, but you do not have to go and scroll each and everything. It will be right in front of you without you doing any hard work. All right. Yes, you can connect this with WhatsApp, everything. Jagan is saying it's recorded session. So Jagan, people have been so much scammed in India. Everybody think this is a recorded session. 99% of the workshop is recorded, but this is not. For Jagan who have joined late, let me show you. This is reloaded 11:18 a.m. All right. Now, guys, by the way, I have got all these 3 unread emails right in front of me. All right. This is what you have to do using AI. This is one of the use cases. All right. Now, yes, Anjali is asking, can I this Outlook Teams as well? Yes, it can be done using Outlook. It can be done using Rediff, any email. It can be done using Telegram, WhatsApp, Microsoft Teams, Slack, anything is possible. All right. I am giving instruction on Telegram via message. If you want, you can connect via call. You call Telegram, you say that, okay, schedule this meeting, it will be done. So anything is possible is what I'm trying to say. All right. Now, please focus on the screen because you might miss out on a very critical part. Now, I'm going to explain how it was working. Then I will teach you from scratch how to build this. This was the agent that was working at the backend. All right. Do not get like overwhelmed that, okay, how can I make this? It is very simple. All right. I will teach you. I'm going to make this inactive first of all. All right. This is inactivated right now. Now, each and every block that you're seeing is called blocks. All right. For example, this is Telegram block, this is email block, this is calendar block. This is called nodes in terms of N8N. So this is called Gmail read node. This is called Gmail send node. This is called search node. This is called Gmail get many events. All right. What is this all about? Whatever task you want to perform, you have to add that node. How to add? Don't worry, I will teach you. All right. Now, yes, Rohit, anything can be done. I will be explaining each and everything. All right. Yes, this is free, Donika. Now, this is to create an event. If I want to create an invite, send an invite, this is the node that I have to use. If I want to get what are my meeting schedule, I have to use this node. Instead of Gmail, you can add anything. How to add everything I will be explaining. First, understand the logic behind this. Always apply first principle, how something works. Thereafter, you can make anything. All right. Now, if you want to cancel an event, you simply add delete an event, it will delete the event. If you want to go through how to read an email, you can go and let's suppose provide me last 3 unread emails, last 3 spam emails, anything is possible. Or even last 3 read emails, everything is possible. This is to send an email. Now, these are the two critical part, guys. First is Gemini chat. Instead of Gemini, you have to add a chat model. It could be OpenAI, it could be DeepSeek, it could be anything. It acts as a brain of the model. All right. This is a conversation memory. Why to add this? You can avoid this, but what would happen? Let's suppose I have scheduled a meeting right now. If I want to cancel a meeting, I will simply go and say cancel this meeting. The moment I say that cancel this meeting, agent has a memory, it remembers which meeting I'm talking about. If you do not add the memory, it will keep asking you which meeting are you talking about, what kind of, what is the timing of meeting, what is the agenda of meeting, provide me the details of meeting, and then you feel like that AI does not work. So I have added the memory so it can take the track of record. I have added the chat so that it can act as the brain of the chat. All right. So that is how you work. Now, the moment I click on this execute workflow at the bottom, it is not going to work on its own. All right. Now, let's suppose I go on Telegram. Let's suppose I'm selecting this option. All right. Copy this. Copied. Or let's say I'm providing this one. Schedule a meeting, for example. All right. I have copied this part. I copied this, I entered. It will not work unless, because I have made this inactive, guys, and please pay complete attention right now on the screen. All right. Now, this is the moment I click on execute workflow, it will work. You will see a green tick. First of all, you will see a round circle happening on the nodes that will be involved in this task. And then once the task is performed, you will see a green tick on that node. All right. Now, the nodes that are not involved, you will not see anything on that part. All right. Have you joined late, Charan? Guys, do join sessions on time, guys. I will be very blunt. I will not sugarcoat anything. You are not joining things on time, and then you're asking the things that. So it will be disrespect for people who have joined on time. Follow from right here. All right. Now, guys, I'm going to press the button. Simply see the nodes that are involved. You will see a round circle. The moment I click, and once the task is complete, you will see a green tick. The nodes that are not involved, there will be no operation. All right. I have clicked this button. Now look at this. It is operating. It is operating. Everything is operating right now. You have seen this green tick because I have scheduled a meeting. No nodes has been involved which are not required in this operation, and it is the explanation how agents work. All right. Number one. Number two, let's suppose how to build this first of all. You simply go on n8n.io. All right. I will send the link name of each and every tools. All right. n8n.io. This is the website name. All right. Once you go through this, you have to simply log in from your email ID for 15 days, guys. N8n is free on one email. All right. Now, how to keep using this for lifetime? I'm telling you a hack. Once you create an agent during the free period on an N8n, you deploy that on GitHub or you deploy that locally. You do not need an 8n platform at all, so you do not have to pay. After 14 days or 15 days, if you want to create other agent, you log in via other email ID, you keep creating agents, guys. All right. At the same time, you take the analogy that we used to download movies from torrent and other platforms. Right now, we do not mind paying for OTT platforms. Why? Because we have convenience, we have more content. Likewise, it is true for all the AI tools, guys. You can use, yeah, there are hacks to use tools for free. You would be able to perform your task. But once you start using this, I'm not kidding, the kind of career growth, the kind of productivity, the kind of time saving that you'll be having, you will not mind paying for it. All right. Now, I go on N8N. Once you log in, simply go on this. You click on create workflow. All right. Please pay complete attention right now. Click on create workflow. This is how the dashboard will look like. All right. Now, once this is done, guys, you simply click either on this or you click on the plus sign on the top right. It is called notes panel on N8N. It will open the notes panel. Whatever task you have to perform, you keep adding the notes. That is as simple as it can get. I click on this panel. I search Telegram, for example. All right. The moment I click on Telegram, all right, whatever node you want to add, let's suppose on Telegram, I am going to send instruction via message. Click on message. Guys, I might not be able to repeat. Please pay complete attention. All right. Now, once you click on that, this is the screen that will be coming in front of you. Click on this part, add your Telegram credentials. All right, login ID password from this. It is done. Click on cancel and click save. it is done for the Telegram send message node. All right. Now click on this. Agent is by default you have to add. Click on agent. Once you click on agent, guys, you do not have to do anything. Click cancel. It is done. Click save. All right. Now you have to keep adding things. For example, I will explain. Click on tools. Let's suppose I want to add Gmail. You search Gmail. Now you understand instead of Telegram how you can use WhatsApp. Instead of Gmail, how you can use Outlook, Rediff, anything is possible. All right. I click on Gmail tool. Now, please focus on screen. This is the only thing that you need to understand. Everything you would be able to comprehend. You add whatever email account you want to add. For Gmail, you add Gmail node. If for Rediff, you add Rediff node. For Outlook, you add Outlook node. All right. The only thing that is critical in this part is that you have to select operations. Let's suppose you want to delete an email, you select delete. If you want to get what are the my unread emails, select on get many. If you want to mark read, there was somebody who wanted to say that, okay, if I'm getting a specific email from somebody, can I do that? Yes, you can mark read, unread, remove label, reply, send anything. Let's suppose I want to send an email, I will select this operation, click cancel, click save. Likewise, whatever tool, for example, you can add unlimited tools, guys. Let's suppose I want to add now Gmail delete message. So I would add Gmail delete. All right. Operation would be delete in this case. Done. All right. Keep adding this, guys. Once you start adding everything, it will become operational. Click save and your agent is ready to be working. All right. Drop yes if you think this is crazy so far, guys. Drop yes or no if you think this is crazy or not. Keep dropping yes in the chat box, or if you feel all right, yes, crazy, crazy, crazy. Crazy. All right, crazy, great. Now let me ask you one more question now. Let's suppose I have given you one task. All right, this is how you create agent, guys. This is self-explanatory. Now you can keep adding the agent, you add credentials. That is all that needs to be taken care of. All right. Now let's suppose I'm giving you one task now. You have to do a research on any topic. Research does not mean that you have to be a research graduate or research scholar. As a founder, I do research on what kind of like segments I can expand into, what kind of competitors are coming, what kind of geographies I can expand into. All right, these are the kind of research I do. As a teacher, you might be looking at the question papers. As a student, you might be looking at what kind of, let's say universities I can get outside India. As a marketer, you might be looking at what kind of ads competitors are looking at, what kind of like CPA I could like achieve. All right, these are the research. Everybody do some or the other kind of research. Now I'm giving you one task. For example, you have to do a research on a topic from scratch. Number one. Number two, you have to create a presentation on that research. Third, you have to create a report of that research. And fourth, there might be some boring paragraph inside that research. You have to convert that into very visually appealing diagram or visuals which you can present in front of anybody. So report, first of all the research, then presentation, then report. Presentation and report are different things, and then you have to convert that into visually appealing diagram. How much time on average realistically you think it will take you? All right, no Kirti, that is not is required in this case. What kind of time? Okay, 7 to 8 hours, 5 to 6. How much time will it take? Or Himanshu is saying 6 to 8 hours, 5 hours, 5 hours. All right, one day. All right, 5 hours, 3 hours, 5 to 6 hours, 7 to 8 hours, one day. All right, 8 hours, lot of time. How much time? Lot of time is not quantitative. At least 2 days, 7 hours, 8 hours. All right, depending upon the kind of research. All right, 3 hours, 2 days. All right, 5 to 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours. All right, most people are saying in the range of 5 to 6 hours, guys. I'm telling you, it will take 10 minutes. And that is why people are getting fired, because one person can do the task of 8 to 9 people. I'm not kidding. And within like 1/10 of the time that it takes for people to convert. All right. Now I'm going to use Perplexity. You can see it is asking to upgrade plan. So I can do this in free version itself. Perplexity is best for doing research. All right. Now, whatever be the case, with or without Kharadi, you can do Abha, you can do you can use anything. All right. Let's suppose I want to do a research on perfume and deodorant industry. All right. Now, I would simply write this prompt. I need a comprehensive research and analysis of the perfume and deodorant industry, including market trends and growth projections, sales data and performance metrics, industry growth rate, competitive landscape overview. All right. Whatever be the research you write the prompt, and guys, I will also send the prompt. So the tools list, website link, notes, prompt, everything. All right. Don't worry. Along with the bonuses. Just stay till end, guys. I'm telling you, there will be most of the people you might have seen people around you who are you think are less deserving than you, who are less core competent, but they are going ahead. You are not able to grow. You are working day in, day out, or working after office hours. Those things need to change. And after this workshop, I'm telling you, I'm guaranteeing you, you will not work the way you are working right now. All right. So make sure that you put your full time on this. All right. Till 2 p.m., do not think about anything else. One place, for example. All right. If you want to go deeper inside this, let's suppose I want to know top what are the top competitors in this segment. All right. You can simply search and it will keep digging deeper. You keep digging deeper, your job is done. All right. Somebody might think, Samir, why not Chat GPT? Why not Claude? Claude and Chat GPT will not give you the kind of result it will provide you Perplexity in terms of research. Moreover, Claude, after 2 3 searches, the credits goes away. You have to buy Claude without without thinking anything. All right. Now, this is done. All right.